Mama wakwaba medin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu ede ensembia betudwa afa Vice President Dr. Bawomiano ho. Na ensema ode etudwa no eye Vice President Dr. Bawomiano supporters nso abema na reply na ebusuafo ansa na mede ensema supporters no aka ne bebre on yenti ensema Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu ede etudwa ne ensansonba.
Enti say Bawomiafo mo message pa ne saying because digitalization so the yenya catch them say yento. A bunch of them corrupt people. Because when you're corrupt, like I'm better in Japan echi. When you're corrupt, like I'm back with time Mr. Lancash echi. Dr. Baumia muni mnowehi. Muhu da beng. Sikenti. 30 shekels of silver. Ya tomo. Ya tomo dada. Tiyenyi na nkongu Dr. Baumia echi. Now, even though you himself were failed, they say young country Ghana was a fourth industrial revolution. And it's a ubesha Dr. Baumia phone in us say one more symbol near Mamma Fancheramo. More moon, you know. What can I say, young quara? Say one of them social media, usually this is all you see on the social media. Like this is what you see on social media from the Baumia people representing Signal. So you see things like connected that what connected, then this all come and type you're connected, you go so connected, yeah, connected, but you're connected that you're connection. I say, oh, you're a connection. This grow say yeah. Meanwhile, the reality of the matter is my finance ministry about thing because economy na say. The reality of the matter is that we are in junk status. The reality of the matter is that IMF say we should review the free SHS. The reality of the matter is that school feeding caterers are on strike. Nurses, teachers, doctors. That's the reality of the matter. Inti yen free ho ni yen konko share signal echi. Inti say we are going to portray Dr. Bawumia as the no more the economic wizard. Say well, you're the digitalization wizard. You think we are fools? A decorated monkey is still a monkey. A decorated monkey. Sebio, me I'm not insulting Dr. Baumia. A analogy ni yema. Sebio, moko fa ba ko breye mo the economy bow tie na mo de bon na mukura ni briefcase. Yem penemo ma monko fa another one for digitalization bow tie me bono. Signal. They say the abani signal. And it may share and penning for any be no disrespect to yen penning for any be a cofa forms ma Dr. Bawomiano. But me be so, ya papa no mon penning for me more be a dinner. But ya papa no mon penning for a mukofa forms ma Dr. Bawomie. Me simple question, me be someone say, ain't is it that you think we don't understand what is going on? And now respect Anna Muni be the mayen, but you expect yes, I respectable. Ye be so, me be sa respectfully, but me be sa say, is it that you think we don't understand what is going on? Because if my own father was here, who served in the party, or even my grandfather, Mr. B. D. Darucha, my step grandfather, and kamebisa menya kukodro kamebisa, is it that you think we don't understand what is going on? And now say muhu ye enkwara enti mufu say mubetumi abudozi ye muwe truma pia ye go be ma ye de mope, which is which? Because we know say economy the papa no was say economy, we know say he has been incompetent when it comes to the economy. We know say no, you are trying to hide behind digitalization. We know. So why would you go and pick forms for him instead of advising him? Say
Ebusianfu ye na yate ensema Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu ede etudwa. Ebia obi wo hwa, this is the first time I say Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu ni dinti obebi sa say oye hwanya. Oye woman bia na oye ose na oye NPP ni na oko support NDC. but say no wa hwe hu say NDC amayoku no enya de beboa no enti wasan so aba back to NPP. Now this time around, Madam Mary Amakwabuedu ekire say o support a Honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan because she thinks say honorable and NPP delegates no omo eji na obetimi aboa na NPP for a break 8 na omo eka no. Now Madam Mary Amakwabuedu, you coming back to NPP party ni mo no a perfect idea obia no empre challenge. I don't think say NPP funi be ebuafu kra kakra bi bebre na e na omo ani age say wa back to NPP amayoku ne mo enti bana wa ba no a perfect idea because we are see wo hoi obia e na ne reasons nti a ode eye bibi. But Madam Mary, don't you think say this time around there oye no e more dangerous than the na wo NDC man na the NPP for no. Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan o campaign e de amano no ye ni hawo because Ghana fu bebre na eye yempe anase eye yem wish say Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan betimi abeye president because we believe in the man. We think say betimi abeboa o man Ghana. But Madam Mary, don't forget so Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan or that so eye NPP ni onye independent candidate. And a friend so on the party NPP amayoku ni mwana owo ena osanso ekan this current administration his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and a vice president Dr. Bawumia omo administration Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan okaho in fact or a member of parliament Emma NPP amayoku no enti nda his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and a vice president omo efeli enti no enya the economy no mo etimi manage enti yen sack yo mo na honorable embra no. Don't forget so honorable say otimi ebe flag bearer akra na say all ye ne campaign na obegina eniema his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and a vice president Dr. Bawumia be ye ne so ansa na wetimi a campaign na atoga na fo adweno mo ato aba ne de amano. But the way I will see NPP for a failure because his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo wanya share Bawumia wanya share and just Ghana foot to abaman because on same fatado. I think say you are going too far because Ghana for na only dealing no obi betina say aka say now Mary obi also ye NPP ni now campaign dem NPP now we sanso bo aban neti no you are doing it because of selfish interest sika obenyentia ntinya de beto ama because they will campaign ya man na obeba ne kwan the same thing obeye. So I think so was back to NPP be faithful to yourself and then send the back to NPP enim nyentia wo kwan this nti bana wa ba no behave say we NPP ni because at the end of the day no we na ye party back home and I'm fight so umeba power 2024 busanfo yentin sama Ghana fu bi eka ede ekire Mary Amakwabuedu we ekire say madam, we are not against you coming back to NPP, but please don't bring your stupidity on Bawumia. You can campaign for whoever you want, but leave Bawumia alone. Your last warning. And I went so if I done so and I say we should be mindful of the kind of language that we are using. After this election, that will not be all. We still need each of ourselves to win the 2024 elections. And I went so Thomas, Deborah, and I say, Madam, stop doing this because it's internal politics. And I went so Nana and I say, Madam, it's internal fight. Don't attack anyone with insults and let's all go around and campaign for Honorable Kennedy Japan. And I went so George and I say, Ken all the way, Ghana first. And I went so King and I say, Madam, grow and stop that childish stuff. Market our candidate and stop that. Insults don't win elections. Okay, and I went to Emmanuel and what I said, Madam, stop the fooling. It's not good for you. Okay. And I went so Deborah and what I said, wow, this is how to campaign for Kennedy. There's no difference between campaigning for JDM and DC. Okay, Felix Appiah political zone vindicated. Okay, and some way, and Vice President Dr. Bawumia, the supporters, Madam Mary Amakwabuedu, and Sema, or the Atujano.